What's up guys, Fred here, and today I'm gonna show you how you can actually create this kind of cool lighting effect. Like here you can see this pink lighting effect that we applied on this image, or for example this kind of orange lighting, or this kind of really cool blue lighting, another blue lighting, red one, and so on. So this is actually a pretty simple technique, and let's get started. So let's just go to Photoshop and let's just create a new project. So press create new. Let's make width and height 1000 by 1000. Yeah, this time I'm going for square. Resolution 300. Okay. Make sure color mode is RGB color. Make sure you have pixels selected here. And let's just press create. Let's wait until it loads. Okay, boom. So now let's take an image and put it inside Photoshop. So for example, I'm gonna start with this image actually, a knife image. Let me just make it bigger. And let's press OK here. So now when we have this image here, make sure you have your image selected. Now go to filter, render, and go to lighting effects. Let's wait until it loads. It has to take some time because it's actually a plugin in Photoshop. I mean, it's originally in Photoshop, so you don't need to download anything, don't worry. Anyway, so here we have this kind of orange lighting and yellow one, I would say yellow and green kinda. So what we can actually do here, first of all, here you have three different options, and the first one is point, and this actually is the one that we are going to use. Then you have here this color option. You can change the color. For example, right now I have orange color, and I can take this point here. You can see I can move it to the left, to the right, and as you can see, the direction of the light is changing, which looks pretty cool. So I can put it somewhere here. I can change the intensity. I can make it like 12. As you can see, it's less intense now. I can make it higher, 100%, to make it like full intense, I would say. You can press on the color and also change it to like red one. Let's press OK. So now as you can see here, we have this kind of pink color, but here we have this kind of green color. That's because we have colorize here, and we can change that as well. So for example, we can press on the colorize, and then we can bring some different colors. As you can see, basically what colorize does, it applies color to everything that is located further away from this point here. I can make it yellow, kinda bluish. This one is fine. Let's press OK. Colorize also has this kind of exposure percentage here. If we make it too much, you're going to have too much exposure, and as you can see, it's much brighter now. We can make it even to the not to the maximum, but 75, but it's too bright. So I would suggest it's somewhere, minus 41 or something like this would be fine. And yeah, that's it basically. And as you can see, it looks pretty cool. So I'll just press OK. So when we press OK, let's just put it here. When we press OK now, we are going to have here two layers. One layer is created automatically. It's actually a 3D layer, but we don't need it. So you can just select it, and then you can just hit delete button, or you can go here and press this trash button and press yes to delete it. And then we have only this layer left here. If you want to change the direction of the light, if you want to change the colors, you just have to click twice on this lighting effect, press twice, and you have again this opened, and again you can just press on color. You can change the color, press OK, and press OK again, and there you go. Again you have this blue color here. Looks cool, right? What I actually did with it is I created a story, and yeah, I kind of created a story with different steps. So here she's walking home. When she arrived, the door was open. There was something in the fridge, so it's kind of a horror story. I'm going to publish it on my Instagram. And yeah, you can go to Fred's gallery to see all my different other posts. Also, you can just follow me on YouTube if you want to receive a daily portion of cool, interesting techniques. And as you can see, they're pretty easy, the ones that I just showed you today. Also, you can go to learnfromfred.com to, let me see, learnfromfred.com to start learning Photoshop for free, learn the essentials, and create some cool projects. Or if you want to become a real pro, if you want to become a real master of Photoshop, then you can also, of course, apply and create this kind of projects. You can apply for my full professional course, and you can find the discount actually in the description. Anyway, guys, if you have some questions, just comment or just go to my Instagram and direct message me. I will be happy to answer you. So see you guys till the next lesson. Bye.